Hello everybody, welcome back to today's video. This is a storage solution for your RV. Okay, first you'll have to buy some storage containers. I got these off of QVC. There were 4 of them and they were clearance, but you can get these on QVC or Amazon if you have something like it that can go in. That's about this height and has a zipper part like this, so it's easy to get into. Now I did say this 4 and I only used 2 because if I used 4 it would cover this window and this room's already dark. I didn't want it any darker than it is. So first you'll have to measure out about where you want to put it. So lightly put a pencil where you're gonna need it and like measure it to figure out how much wood. This was just wood from a hardware store. It took about 3 and do make sure, and then 4, and then 1 up here, and then same thing over there, and make sure that you leave room where this can pull out if you ever need to pull it out. Same thing on this side. Then you'll nail the screws together, then nail it up top, nail this up top. And then when you're ready, you can come in and test it, make sure everything's good. You don't need to change anything. Be careful what you nail to, that you don't go past, like, into the ceiling. Always be careful when you're nailing something to your RV. After that, you can pull it back out, lightly pencil where it was at. And then, if you want, you can leave it natural wood if you want. Or, you can, we use spray paint, this blue type spray paint, and sprayed it both sides, make the room a little brighter. And then you can pull these out and pull them back in, and then when you need something you just zip it and pull out whatever you need or put something in it, and adds more storage solutions for this bunkhouse. I will show you, if you do this, where maybe someone else you could put this. In my RV there really isn't much room if you wanted to put one of the others, but maybe if you didn't have these here, you wanted more storage, you can put one there and there for storage for the living area. And like I said, this one doesn't have it, but maybe if you had like a blank wall or something maybe over here, you need more kitchen storage, you could add one over here and add one of the bin type thingies. I added mine to a bunkhouse. That's probably the best solution for this. But if you don't have a bunkhouse, this shows you other ways you might can use it if you need more storage for your RV. You would have to be careful, but if you want and you don't use a top bunk, or your kids might actually use it, you might could put some up there so they can put their things up there and there's more storage. So right now there's like no storage up there, but if you add one there would be some storage for their toys or whatever they need up there. This bathroom has not much room, but if you wanted to, if you had a blank wall, I guess kind of like this, you could put one like right here. Probably could only use one. You could put one there for towels or bathing suits or whatever you would need for a bathroom. Last but not least, if you needed one for the main master bedroom, you might could put one here, over here if you didn't have this window here, over here. Just be careful of your closet. Or if you didn't want to do the hanging thing, you can just buy one of those things and just put them right here for more storage and make it more organized. I hope this storage solution helps your RV and you'll be able to use it. Like this if this helped you figure out a solution. If you used it, comment how you use this type of idea for your RV. Thanks so much for watching again. Remember to like and subscribe down below. Thanks so much for watching again. Bye.